Auntie, welcome.
Thank you. Get this.
Okay. Yeah, Auntie, Mama is here.
Mama is here?
Yes. She came about 1 hour ago.
Yes. Where is she?
Yeah, she's in the sitting room.
Did you offer her anything?
Yeah, I gave her a bottle of more drink.
Okay, get those things ready in the kitchen so I can make a quick meal for her to eat.
Okay.
Let me have my bag.
All right, all right.
Mama, you enjoyed your meal. I am really, really glad. I did. I made you special.
With a lot of spice. Mom, how did you cope with it?
Mama did not ask you if it was with a lot of spice or not. She just said she enjoyed
How
it.
spice? I didn't come all the way here to eat, though I enjoyed the food.
Oh.
You know why I'm here? I've waited for 2 months. It doesn't take 2 months for a woman to know her condition. So, how far?
Mama, I was actually going to come and see you over the weekend to,
See, I am here now. That thing you wanted to come and tell me. Say it now, I'm here.
Mama, concerning the treatment,
It's fine. Mom, let me be honest with you. That treatment didn't work. Yes, Mom. It almost killed my wife. And from the moment she took that concussion, she started purging. She purged to a point where she almost collapsed and I had to drive her to the hospital myself, Mom, where she stayed for 2 days just to recuperate. Look, Mom, I understand where you're going with this and we appreciate it. But it's just not working. And Mom, if you ask me, I think that, you know, this outdated concussion is not healthy for a woman like my wife. It almost killed her.
So this is the story you and your wife cooked up to tell me.
I'm not cooking up a story. I'm telling you what actually happened.
I knew it would come to this. I knew it. Everybody said it. But I said, no, let me be sure before I join in crucifying her. Now I know, I've confirmed it. She's using charm on you.
Don't say a thing like that.
Shut up!
I don't like it.
Oh, shut up, you foolish boy. What do you know? What do you know? Odile, why have you refused to give me a grandchild? Eh? Why? Why can't you take a second wife since this one cannot conceive?
I'm not taking a second wife.
Yes,
my father was not polygamous. He didn't.
Shut up!
Have 2 wives.
Shut up!
I won't do it.
Shut up!
My wife is going to bear children when it's time for her to bear children.
Odili, please just calm down, okay, please.
How long have I been waiting? Odili? Anyway, as for you, I treated you like my own daughter. But what did you do? But you chose to treat me like a nobody. I left everything I was doing to arrange for your treatment for you to conceive like every other woman. Shut up! What did you do? You threw away my medicine only for you to cook up a cock and bull story for me? OKOCHI Naija. But let me tell you, some medicines have more potency than others. You watch out. As for you, Odile, you used to obey me as a mother, but not anymore. I am now a bushwoman that will prepare medicine that will kill your wife, your beloved wife. Oh, Odile, what has this woman done to you? What kind of soup has she cooked for you, Odili? Oh. Oh.
Mama, I tried to...
This is the same medicine that I took to conceive this your husband. The same medicine.
Why are you bothered? You think I would suddenly stop having faith in what we share and leave you halfway? Or you think I'm going to stop loving you because of our present circumstance? Baby, I love you. Okay? And nothing. Look at me. Look at me, look at me. Nothing is going to change my position on this matter. No one has the ability to influence my thoughts towards you, my wife. Not my sister, Amaka. Not even Mama. Okay? You're mine, you're my wife, and I love you with all of my heart, and I need you to take your head out of these petty temptations. It will pass. It will go. I promise you. Don't worry yourself. Okay? Listen, I want you and I to get away from all of this tension and, go on a 2-week vacation in London. And luckily, I was able to trace an old friend who is now a gynecologist, and he's promised me that he's going to offer us the best in terms of medical care. And I am positive that by the time we come back, things will change for good, sweetheart. I love you with all of my heart, and I am dedicated to spending my life proving that to you. Please. Please. Stop. It's fine. Okay? It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's fine. Come here. Come here. Yes. Fine. Okay. Going to church, can't talk. Oh, now you remember, yes. It's a Sunday. Call me tomorrow. Bye. Why are you calling me at this time? Yeah, I made it clear. I said, do not call me after office hours. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you cannot call me within office hours, then don't call me. Forget it. All right? Don't call me. Yeah. Show up tomorrow at the office, and then come state your case. Let's analyze it again before we take further actions. All right? So you need to calm down and understand how you feel. See you then. Bye.
Who are you yelling on the phone?
Oh, mind this man. Don't know what his problem is. Constantly calling me and bothering.
Man, I thought I heard a lady's voice.
Forgive me, please. It's a woman, actually, you know. You know those clients who can't even afford to pay your professional fee. They just have one problem or the other at every point. You know?
I see. Just don't let them bother you.
Thanks, love. Thank you.
Yeah. Would you like something to drink?
Oh, yeah. I would love to drink something right now. Yeah, please.
Juice?
Anything. Anything.
All right, I'll grab
Please.
something.
Yeah.
Get from the fridge.
Thanks. Thanks.
Ugly, what's wrong? You're not eating. Don't you like the food?
Food is good. Food is good.
So?
I don't know. I think I'm having malaria symptoms, and it's just affecting, you know.
Malaria.
Yeah.
You treated malaria last week.
Yeah, that's true. Probably I didn't treat it through and through. You know how those things can be. It just keeps going and coming. You know. Plus, I've been doing a lot lately. You know, work pressure, running around.
I see.
Yeah, sometimes it just gets to you.
I think you should see Dr. Kafo. Perhaps run some tests and know what exactly is wrong.
Wow, that's a good idea. But don't you think we should just give this a few days and see how I carry on? Because I just might be able to shake it off, you know. You never know. But I think I'll be fine. Okay? I'm positive that I should be fine. Can you give me a moment, please? Right. I'll be back. Hey.
Is everything all right?
Yeah, everything is fine, you know. It's Amaka on the phone, you know how she can be, throwing tantrums and all. I'm just, what...
So what's the problem this time around?
You know how this people can be, how Juliet did this, Juliet that, Juliet... Everything is fine, I have it under control, okay?
Odili, everything is not fine. You have been detached lately, acting strangely. What is going on? Look at you, you've lost so much weight.
What are you talking about? I'm fine. I'm fine. Come on, I'm fine. Look at me, I'm fine. What, you don't trust me anymore? I'm fine.
I'm not talking about trust. I'm just worried. Oh, okay, maybe I worried so much, but I'm...
Yes, baby. You worried so much. I'm fine.
Please talk to me. What's the matter?
There's no problem, I'm fine. You hear? I'm fine. Look, darling, I want you to know that I love you. Okay? I love you so much. Nothing anyone will do. Okay? There'll be challenges. They will try, the world will try to put us apart, Juliet, but I need you to look at me. My love for you will never fail. Because I love you unconditionally.
No,
Okay?
you're confusing me. You need to talk to me. Tell me what the problem is, please.
That's no problem. I am fine.
I know you're fine, but you still need to tell me what the problem is. You've just been...
There is no problem.
You sure?
Yeah, I have it under control.
You have what under control?
I have AMARA under control. They're trying to bother my wife for me, but hey.
What are you doing inside? I was cleaning the dishes in the kitchen.
What is it? What's the matter?
There's a woman inside, and she came with lots of bags. It seems she has come to live with us.
A woman inside?
Yes, ma.
Who is she looking for?
Oga.
Did she say what her name is?
No, ma.
She didn't say what her name is and you let her into the house?
I'm sorry, ma.
What?
Do you know what to do?
Please, go. Do you know what? Just go to the back. I don't want to see you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, I am Mrs. Maduka. I understand you're here to see my husband.
I am Mrs. Maduka too. I am pregnant for orderly, and I've come here to take my rightful position in this house.
There's a mistake somewhere because, like I said earlier, I am Mrs. Maduka, and my husband, obviously, is Mr. Maduka, so I'm sure you have the wrong address.
Do not be silly. Like I said, I am carrying orderly's child, and I know exactly who I'm talking about. And I'm carrying his baby. Are you not his barren wife? Are you not? And you're moping at me. Well, the truth is that I cannot be living out there with my unborn child whilst you enjoy in here all by yourself. It is not done. Not possible.
There has to be a mistake. There's a mistake. Trust me, there is a mistake.
Yes. Obviously. The only mistake is that you have refused to understand your present status in this house. And the earlier you understand it, the better for you. Please call the maids. My bags needs to get inside the room. Thank you. Boy, this house fine, no. See enjoyments, and they won't make her leave. At sons I go fire them.
Shama, I am ruined. I'm completely ruined. For a very long time, I suspected something was wrong. My husband started to act like a stranger in the house. He kept assuring me that everything was okay.
God. What sort of temptation is this? Can this be true?
I will never forgive Odili for this humiliation. I'll just pack and leave the house if this is true.
And that's exactly what that stupid woman would want you to do. But Julie, you would do no such thing. You can't leave all you toiled for behind for one imposter to come into your house and rip where she did not sow. Never. Where is the Odili?
I don't know. I don't know where my husband is, Choma.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Please. I do advise you go back to your house. Yes. Don't let this woman know that you are worried by her presence. Treat her like a visitor. If she becomes nasty, ignore her until your husband returns. Please.
What am I going to do?
Oh, come on.
What am I going to do, Choma? What will I do?
It's okay. Stop this crying. Stop. Stop. And one more thing. You need to put up a fight. Just be ready. You need to put up a fight for your right, in case if this is true.
Okay.
Come. Come.
Okay.
It's okay. Oh, God.
How was your day?
It was okay. Fine, thank you. You have a visitor.
Caroline, what are you doing in my house?
Odili, how can you keep me out for so long when you know that I'm carrying your child? Your first pregnancy for that matter. You were supposed to get me a flat and a car to go with it. But you didn't do that. You were busy giving me flimsy excuses. Now give me 20 million naira to better my life because I know you have the money. You wouldn't do that. You're tossing me up and down. What kind of a man are you? Not charm, not just charm. I don't know what you they talk, oh. Me, I have come to stay. This is also my husband's house. The one where they even mad me be say, my co-wife will sit down for here, no fit give me water or food to eat as I did here since.
So stop it! Stop talking. What the hell is wrong with you? How dare you barge into my house like this?
I should be asking you that question, Odili. How dare you keep me out for so long? Your pregnant wife! What's happened? Better show me where to keep my bags.
What am I going to do? Mike, you have ruined me. Mike, see what you caused. I shouldn't have just indulged in the first place. What am I going to do now? Huh? This... Huh? Mike. Oti! Wow!
is no need taking this life too serious. After all, no one will come out of it alive. My father says so.
Your father says so?
Yes. He said so many crazy things about marriage. He said, without a mistress outside, marriage is too boring. Meet my friend, Odi. Odi, my good friend.
Okay, fine.
Cheese.
Okay.
Come, Kuruma. Hi, Audley.
Hi.
I'm Carol.
I'm Audley. My friends call me Odi.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Thank you. I know, come on, let's not, don't do that.
I am the lady here and it doesn't matter.
Come on.
When you like something, go for it. You don't like me?
Mike.
It is my father's revelation.
Mike.
It is my father's revelation.
Mike. Mike.
You getting pregnant for me is not part of the bargain. All right? You made it clear that you have some needs, and of course I provided for you the times that you were with me. I gave you money for everything that you wanted at the time. Why are you calling to tell me this now?
Okay. We understand how painful this can be. Our people say no matter how bad the thing is, you can't take the eyes off it. We've been part of this family for so long. We feel and understand your pains. Your husband is so sorry about the turn of events. He never meant to disgrace or humiliate you.
Thank you. Sweetheart. I'm sorry. I really am sorry. I am sorry. I know that you're hurt. I know how you feel. I know that I have betrayed our love and everything that you and I have shared. All of this time, but I am deeply sorry. I don't want to lose you. Please, love. Whatever you do, please don't go away. Don't leave me. Go, please, I beg you. I don't even know what happened. This is not me. All right? It was just a stupid fling that happened a long time ago. I totally forgot about it, and then the girl just resurfaced from nowhere. I'm ashamed of what I've done to you. Juliet. Because, well, I'm sorry. God sees my heart. I am deeply sorry. Please don't leave. Please, you know this is not me. Please, Dave.
It's okay, Odile. I would suggest in the interim, you will find a house for this woman in town.
Of course, she cannot be here. She can't stay here with us. I'll get a place for her to stay.
Julie, we all know that you're a wonderful woman. I beg you, find a place in your heart to forgive him. Your husband needs you at this moment.
I just wish someone would just wake me up and tell me it's been a dream, that this isn't happening. Because I am finding it really hard to believe that my husband of so many years can just be involved in such a mess. The other leader I married for God knows how long can do this to me after all these years. I could have sworn with my life that he can never be involved in this kind of... Even if he wanted a second wife, even if he wanted a child, he should have come to me. There is nothing he will ask of me that I would say no to, ever. He didn't say anything to me. He just decided to humiliate and embarrass me this way by bringing that girl. I just wish someone would just wake me up and tell me it's been a dream. And tell me, Julie, this is all a dream. I should just wake up. Jamaica. It's okay. Julie, look, you have to stop this crying. I can't. Please. Okay? I can't. It's okay. Stop. Like I told you earlier, don't let this woman win this. Don't.
She's already winning.
Don't make her
I'm not pregnant. Am I?
Stop talking nonsense. Have you forgotten what happened to Chizoba? The same thing happened to her. And God eventually gave her her own children. And the whole story changed.
When will my story change?
God's own appointed time.
When will God answer me?
Have you forgotten of Sarah in the Bible?
I can't believe it.
Where is your faith?
This is a delicate situation.
I know.
Our advice. I know you need the baby. And as well, you need your wife.
Of course I do, Dave, I do.
This is why you have to apply wisdom. Huh? You see, you have to manage this lady. Within the period, she will deliver your baby.
Okay.
So, she won't upset your home front. Alright? You need to be strong. We're men. We're men. I know you need a baby of your own.
I honestly do, Dave. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Please.
Thanks. Yeah. Thanks a lot, man.
Remember what the Bible says. Whatever he hears us say, he will do for us. Where is your faith? The faith you built this marriage on.
I can't. I can't.
I've told you, don't let this woman have everything. Why you lose everything?
It's so easy for you to say because you have your own children. I don't understand.
I understand. Stop this. Come on, stop.
Welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I am where you left me. Yes. Ever since I came to this house, Odile, you have never taken me out for once. Odile, you are not romantic at all. At all!
Look, I got in touch with my agent today and we were able to get a 2-bedroom apartment somewhere on the mainland. So I think you would need to pack your things and move there.
Mengine? Eso?
Somewhere you can stay.
Mwah! Karo? Mainland? So you want me to go and live at the mainland while you live on the island? Odile, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself to tell the mother of your child to go and live on the mainland? Nageto, whilst you live in this beautiful mansion with that useless wife of yours? If you're not there, Maggie, are you not ashamed? It will not work for you. It will not work for you at all. What nonsense?
What did you just say? Who did you say is useless?
Well, I don't have water in my mouth when I'm talking. I said that you are useless. Who else is useless in this house apart from you? Are you not useless?
You call me useless.
Very useless.
You want to keep ranting? I need to fix your madness once and for all.
It is you and your entire generation that are raving mad. You are mad. I know what you want to do. I know exactly what you want to do. You want me to fight you so you can have the opportunity to kill my unborn baby. The baby you could not have all these years. Hey, you have failed. You have failed woefully.
Carol, enough, all right?
Which?
Enough! Stop! Get your things together, all right? And leave the house. I've got you your place. Just get your things and leave.
And don't even shout at me. So wait, see. If you're trying to intimidate me by leaving this house, it will never work for you. You have failed because I came fully prepared. You got to go? Hey, Mamola. Yadiba. Hey. Odile, you are trying to impress her in my presence. Then at night, you will crawl like the snake you are into my room by midnight. And you will be begging for my kutus. I will so deal with you. You will come again, oh. I will so deal with you. You don't know me, Carol. You do not know me. And as for you, barren witch, you had the nerves to raise that filthy hands of yours and slap me. Okay, you have slapped me today, but I promise you one thing. My baby will give it to you back double when the time comes. I promise you that. Agadiewu. There is something I would want to discuss with you.
Go ahead.
Well, the truth is that I'm tired. I am tired of living like a fugitive in this house. You don't show me love. You don't care for me anymore. The mother of your unborn child. I don't get it. If you do not want me in your house anymore, why don't you say it to my face? Say it to me and I will pack my things and go peacefully. But I'll show you one thing, Odile. If I leave this house, you will look for me. It's a promise.
Do you realize that you have not said anything?
Okay. My people are angry. Especially my uncle that threatened me here in Lagos. They are very angry. He said you will have to come and marry me normally. Then I can be able to live with you in your house.
Yes, stop it. You lie. Go back and tell your uncles that I will do no such thing. Look at you. I can't marry you. I am married. I'm happily married. All right? So get that into your head. It's not going to happen.
Very good. I also want you to get it into your own head that if you do not marry me, you will never have access to this baby. You won't.
You're suffering from ignorance. Because the law clearly states that a man who has fathered a child can lay claim to that child whenever he chooses.
And that is my position on this matter.
Look at this man, oh. You are bringing your law into this. For my own picking, where I go carry 9 months, born am. Now they carry law enter for me. You know they fear. Well, when we get to the bridge, we will cross it. When the time comes, you will look for your law. Brother, you know go find am. I don't tell you.
Harold, are you threatening me? I'm talking to you.
I am not threatening you. I'm stating the facts. It is obvious that you need help. Yes. See, brother, make you sure understand me. Oh. Understand with me. If your arrogance will allow you, come to my people and do the formal introduction. Make me your wife because I deserve to be one. As a matter of fact, I'm carrying your baby. So what? Do what you're supposed to do so that there won't be issue when this baby is born. I am saying it, oh. You might think I'm being stupid with what I'm saying. But do not blame me when I hand this baby over to another man. Yes, I will do it, oh. You don't know me. I decrease. I have said it, and that is how it will be. Emarasu is so nikwe. Emarasu is so nana. Okay.
Oh, God. How did I get here? I single-handedly invited the devil into my home. How did I get here?
My goodness, why are you so lazy? You're not done with this?
We're almost...
Oh my God. Don't be useless. Be fast with that.
Okay, I'm almost through.
Comfort. Where are the other bags?
On this side.
Are you sure? Yes, ma'am. Baby, I love you so much. Mwah. Oh.
What? Is there a problem?
What sort of question is that?
Why are you here? I didn't invite you. What are you doing here?
Odili, come on. I am your legally married wife, and I'm carrying your child. Have you suddenly forgotten? You shouldn't treat me like trash. This is your first child. This child needs your love, your warmth, your care, your love. Everything I can get from you, I need it now. You know, come on, baby. Have you suddenly forgotten how it used to be?
Look.
Just feel the baby. Oh my goodness. Can't you see the baby is moving? The baby knows you. The baby knows you are the father. I miss you. I miss us. Oh, please. It's your turn to give me a massage tonight, alright?
not do this, please?
Please, can you stop?
Can we not do this?
Stop now.
Hey, Mama. Mama, welcome. No, welcome. How was your journey here? Fine. How's everyone at home? I hope they're okay.
Yes.
They're fine.
Yes. Where is my son, Odili?
Mama, he's not back from work, but he will soon be back. Do I get you something to eat? Maybe something...
If you like, you get me something to eat. If you like, leave it! Oh.
Okay, let me get to the kitchen.
Ifrifo yi no na efifi ara ike. Nwaanyi no na di na ihe oyi no. No, ihe o madara na efifi ike.
Mama, I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes, my dear, thank you.
Mama, I hope you enjoyed your meal.
Yes.
Yeah?
I
made it specially for you. Do you want more water?
I'm okay.
Do you want any other thing? A drink? Or fruits?
I'm okay.
Okay. Don't worry, your Odili will soon be back, oh?
This must be my new wife.
And you must be my beautiful mother-in-law.
Oh, you're welcome, my dear.
Thank you very much, Mama. How was your journey?
Fine.
Welcome.
It's true you're already pregnant.
Yes, Mama. I am already pregnant.
You are pregnant?
Yes, oh.
Chikwabia. Ekene dele. Eh! Odikwa n'izi di ime. Ekene dele Jehovah. Is good pregnant?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Odikwa n'izi.
It's not easy.
Odizi di pregnant.
It's not easy. Mama, don't worry yourself. I'm going to give your son a bouncing baby boy.
Mom, I know it's a boy, and it's going to look exactly like my son.
Odili. Excuse me, Mama. Comfort. Yes, ma'am. Comfort.
Afime. Oh, many horses on one. I'm a monkey.
Mama, I hope you've had something to eat.
I've eaten.
Mama, it's not easy. Pregnancy is not an easy thing.
It's not easy.
I said the pink slippers. Are you done?
Bring the one she wants now. What is wrong with this foolish girl? I'm a monkey.
This is how she behaves. This is how she behaves. Every time I say that to do something for me, she will just be misbehaving. Don't worry. Very soon I will put you in your place in this house.
Don't let anybody stress you in this house. This is your house.
Mama, nobody fit do that kind of thing for me. Nobody. I never born them.
Stop it, Carol. Stop it. You didn't tell her you wanted the pink slippers, and you didn't have to hit her.
I will hit her. I will hit her because this is my husband's house.
Don't stress. Biko, don't. Bia, osna again.
Mama.
Bia, Juliet, go ike ha ogi. Biko. What the gun nature?
Mama, leave her. I know what's wrong with her. You know she has been barren for over how many years?
Ota.
So what I got in 1 month, she was not able to get in 7 years.
Oh, the one is.
So now, so leave her. It's okay, Mama. Don't stress yourself. She's not worth it. She's not worth making you feel like this. Cheers to unborn baby.
Yes, so.
Sincerely, Mama, you're very beautiful. Now I see where my husband got his weakness from.
Oh, my son is back.
Mama, welcome.
Agunya.
Mama.
Omeka nia.
Mama.
Mama. I've seen your handwork. I've seen that you have now known that you have been waiting in vain and you have done what you're supposed to do as a man. I mean, her medicine has lost potency and suddenly your eyes open and you shut.
Well, Mama, I don't know what you're talking about. There is no one here who I know who happens to be diabolic.
Ozwai, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know because you are the victim. But the most important thing is that you have done what you're supposed to do.
Where is my wife?
Eh?
Juliet.
She should be in the room. What else? Ogana Laronola, she's sleeping.
Sweetheart! Hey!
Can you see? He's after Juliet. He doesn't even care about his pregnant wife.
Don't worry. You are pregnant. And I'm here. I will change things. Don't worry.
I believe you, Mama.
Don't worry.
I believe you. Don't worry, she'll soon be here. Very good. What are you still standing here doing? Sorry. Won't you go? Gossip. You are listening to the one you go and tell your useless sister. Leave that one now. What? Stupid idiot. My dear, which one would you like?
Both of them, thank you.
Hey, sweetheart. You're welcome. My friend here, Biola, has been waiting for you. She used to be my mother's very close friend when she was alive. As a matter of fact, we lived in the same yard together. Yes. Again.
Yes. My pleasure, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, yes, sir. Sir, I'm sure you don't know I've been to this your house many times.
Oh, you have?
Yes. Juliet, your wife, and I were schoolmates back. In fact, best friends in school. Then we lost contact, we reconnected, and suddenly she banned me from coming to your house. In fact, she chased me out like a criminal.
Why would my wife do that to you?
Simply because I told her the truth. You cannot hold a man down forever when you know you're not capable. You cannot be a dog in a manger. That's wicked. You cannot be a dog in a manger. But sir, you know what they say? Karma, they say, is a bitch, you know? So, one good turn deserves a turn. Today, it's my friend's day. Yes, so, Juju, my friend. Hey, don't be surprised. Don't. I haven't come to visit you, my dear. Friendship with me. Don't worry. I'm sure you're surprised of seeing me. No. I didn't come to see you. I came to see my friend, your co-wife. Yes, with a special invitation. Yes. That's it.
Oh, you know what? It's fine. You don't have to dig up old coals.
No, sir, don't say that. Sir, you need to see what this Juliet, your wife, and her friend, that boot-licking chum that mug that rapes people of millions, claiming did to me. They treated me like a crab, a criminal, common one in the street.
Stop! It's okay, madam. I said it's enough. You're embarrassing my wife. And as a matter of fact, I think it is late. Pick your bag and go to my house.
Oh, they
Do it
know.
now.
No, you will not insult my friend.
No, what?
Stop harassing her.
Or you?
What?
You will join your friend.
No, I will not. Don't do that.
Out.
You're not sending my friend out. Why are you embarrassing my friend and sending her out? What has she done to you? I don't like this, I don't like this.
Because I can join her if you want.
Join her to where? This house is mine. I am the full owner of this house. I am the wife. The pregnant wife, to be precise. Nonsense. Rubbish. If you were to be her friend now, will you send her out? You're sending my friend out. I don't bother to
In-law.
Did you just call me?
Yes, now my in-law.
Am I really your in-law?
You're my friend's husband. That makes you my very good in-law.
Really? You know, on this trip, I ran into someone who told me a lot about you. How you schemed for this prostitute here to come into my home.
Me? No. It's not possible now.
How you planned to take everything that my wife and I had worked so hard for when the both of you eliminate us.
No, now. Ejiro cannot tell you that kind of lie.
Also, you know who told me? Without mentioning her name, you know who told me?